Hi everyone, welcome to another video of my Clean YouTube channel. In this video we are going to be making some vanilla biscuits, and they are Christmas cookies. And what we will need is 3 cups of flour, some white sugar, 1 cup of softened butter, some baking powder, some vanilla extract, and a banana. And you can always use an egg instead of the banana. And what we will need to do is we will need to put the 3 cups of flour into the bowl. And then we will need a half a cup of this white sugar. I'm just measuring stuff out. You want to measure it, you want to pour it into the measuring cup and level it out and adjust it to measurement that you need it to be at. And it should look something like this. If it's not the exact measurement, then that's fine. And we will need, and we will need 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay, should look something like that, and we're going to pour that in. And then, if you are going to be using a banana, we will need to peel this open and then mash it up. And it should look something like that. And then we are going to pour that in. And then we will need to add the 1 cup of softened butter. There. And then we will need these 1.5 teaspoons of this vanilla extract. Then we are going to take the electrical beaters and mix that up as good as you can get it. All mixed up, it should look something like this. We will need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, and then the next thing we are going to do is we will need to flour the surface like this and spread this out some. And then we are going to take this dough and then pour it out onto the table and to the spot that we put flour on. And then we're going to do this to it. If it kind of cracks some, that's fine. You can always fix it too. And take it and go like this. Kind of push them in and flatten it out some. And then we are going to take some cookie cutters that are Christmas shaped. You can really use any shapes that you want. Then we are going to take the shapes and these cookie cutters and put them in the dough like this. And then we're going to go like this to it. And then we will need to put it onto a cookie sheet like this. And you want to make sure that you leave a little bit of space between the edges. And kind of push down a little bit like this and pull up carefully. And then we are going to repeat that until all of the cookies are all done baking in the oven. It should look something like this.